Even people ranting about the Yulin Dog Festival, like people
Yeah.
saying don't kill dogs. Why? Because they do a handshake. Why don't you kill dogs? You eat chicken, you eat beef, you eat pork, you eat all the bloody shit that's around you. You eat lamb, you eat sheep.
Morality is aesthetic.
No, that's not the point. If you can kill cows, you can kill chickens, you can kill hens.
It's not about not criticizing.
You can kill dogs easily for eating. That's it. That's pretty much it.
You should criticize every festival that kills animals for fun.
Exactly. Either criticize all. Right. We kill a lot of goats. And that's for Eid. Let's just say that's considered pretty religious. That's auspicious for them.
These sacrifices are part of a lot of even Hinduism.
What do you sacrifice in Hinduism?
Hinduism has a long history of sacrifice.
That's history. What do you celebrate as a sacrifice?
Right now,
Yeah.
a lot of Hindu temples actually do sacrifice.
What?
I went to Assam. This temple had sacrifice
Of?
goats. Oh, I don't know how goats come into this picture all the time. What the fuck have they done wrong?
Then there is something wrong with goats. You need to get fucking rid of them. But again, if you want to criticize, it's just not that's the point. If you want to criticize, it's just not Yulin Dog Festival. It's everything. Criticize goats. Criticize chickens being cut out.
You should not kill any animal for fun.
Exactly. Criticize all. Criticize everything. Criticize killing. Innocent killing. Criticize that.
I think part of the reason is that dogs are domesticated animals.
Dogs can be tamed easily. Is that what the part is? That now let's come to this, that I am a human and I can control this organism and that can be loyal to me forever and after.
So it's like
let me complete my point. So there is this organism, right, and four-legged organism which has a wiggly tail and that comes to me all around.
Cutie. It's very cute.
Cutie, alright, cutie, and it comes around me and I can tame easily with treats, with food. I can tame that guy, that animal, that organism. Let's just say that. So my power of authority works on that organism. So I will not kill him because I can make them slaves. Is that what you want out of dogs? People teaching them tricks in some manner, then you can call it slavery, because you're actually taming an organism.
I mean, it's not like a natural wild animal. Dogs are domesticating.
They are domesticated
for a long time in evolution.
But that does not mean that you should use them for your power of authority.
I really hate cats.
I love cats.
Not cats. I really hate people who domesticate cats.
No, I love cats.
Like the idea of that. Cat is a wild fucking animal.
Cats are even if you again power of authority. Same with cats.
Have you gone over the hashtag vegan cat?
What the fuck? No.
So vegan cat is this concept. People who are vegans, they give their cats a vegan diet.
No, that's not how it works.
There is Instagram पे तू देखेगा, those cats are fucking malnutrition. They're like, their soul has been sucked out. They're not eating meat because they're vegan cats. This is 100% true. This was a bit on Joe Rogan's stand-up special.
Vegan cats.
Vegan cat. This is a real thing.
The
I'm
word
not
vegan
joking.
It's okay, we get it. Vegans, you love it, but why?
But I don't understand vegans who have cats as their pets. Okay, you don't eat any animal-based product.
Choice.
But now you have this murderer in your house who will fuck any squirrel, any rat, anything that comes in front of his or her its face.
Yeah. And
This is a younger sibling of a fucking tiger. This is a murderer.
Same family. Killing machine.
2 cats live just across my house, in front of this park.
Yeah.
And ever since they have come out in the open,
no mouses, no rats.
the lives of those squirrels who live in the trees has been hell. They can't come down. मैं balcony में खड़ा था यार. मैं balcony में खड़ा था, and the squirrel was वो तार पे खड़ी थी, and it was doing this sound जो squirrels करती हैं. I was like, what the fuck is the squirrel doing on this wire? And then I looked down, and these 2 cats are fucking drinking milk, and I'm like, oh, that's what's up. This fucking thing can't go down because it'll get eaten. Natural selection. I don't understand why. If you're a vegan, why do you have this murderer in your house, and then you give them a canned tin of murder to eat?
Fish. That's
Yeah.
good. So I was just coming to the point that killing of innocent with that again should be criticized, and not just killing of one organism. That's double standards. For me, that's double standards. You know, killing of dogs, and let's back to live markets again. Having live markets and eating, you know, open match. That's racist.
I mean, it's horrible to us because we can. Can you imagine eating a live thing?
No, I cannot.
It's horrible.
It's-
I don't
I
know
feel
how these
peevish
guys
already.
do it. It's true. This is not racist. This is a fact. Live markets are a part of not just China. There are a lot of live markets across the world.
Asian countries,
Right.
mostly. Yeah.
Mostly Asian countries have a lot of live markets. This is not about just China.
Yeah.
But the live markets are a virus hub. They are basically like a gigafactory from
Yeah.
which viruses can be
You
produced.
know, the markets should have strong regulation, man. I mean,
But the idea,
you just cannot eat something out of, you know.
do you know Chinese fucking drink tiger wine?
Yeah, that's most expensive wine, I guess.
Sold in the
blood.
black market,
Blood,
on
blood
the dark
seventh,
web. Yeah.
Blood
Oh
seventh,
my
yeah.
god.
White tiger wine. When there's a YouTube video on it, white tiger wine, and white tigers are very endangered species.
It's a horrible process.
Yeah, you know that.
It's
But
just for
people
keeping
in
the sanity of this podcast, but to clear up
People-
whatever you're thinking right now, tiger wine is not just a name.
Yeah.
A tiger is involved in the making.
so sweat, blood, tears.
Yeah.
everything.
So
of the
moving
tiger.
forward,
Of the
don't
tiger.
take this very lightly.
Yeah. Also, no.
When the Chinese say tiger wine, they mean
mean
it.
it. They literally mean it. Also, there was this news someday back, few months back, that some people in Kerala captured a cheetah and then they made a curry out of him.
We spoke about
Yeah,
this.
we spoke about it, and they ate it. So yeah, again,
That is what a bro plan is. We've been over this. Let's kill a cheetah.
let's have some chicks over dinner and let's serve some good, beautiful, strong cheetah.
Yeah.
So again, killing should be criticized. Whether cheetah, whether chicken, whether dogs. It's not that only for, that's then you are the fucking problem. If you are just criticizing for one.
But this is very interesting actually. Sam Harris speaks about this. He
Yeah.
has written a book about morality as far as I know.
Yeah.
So he goes, so you're driving across a highway.
Yeah.
You're about to reach home. A fly comes in front of your car,
Yeah. Nice.
gets killed, dies. You don't lose sleep over it.
Exactly.
A dog comes in front of your car, dies. You need therapy
Yeah.
for it to get over that. A cow. So where does that morality stick? I kill mosquitoes I'm a
Every-
serial mosquito murderer at this point.
Me too, guilty.
If mosquitoes hasn't had a civilization, I am fucking ISIS. Killing them on will, but where does that morality go? Right? You don't feel bad about killing chickens because it gives you protein, it gives back nutrients to you. It's like, okay, the food chain works like that, we can't help it. But then you cannot eat dogs because dogs are you're domesticated.
They wiggle their tail.
Because they are domesticated, you don't.
They shake hand. Tommy shake hand. They shake hand karega.
Yeah. So we love dogs and we love chickens, but we eat them. We love chickens in our houses. We love chickens in our burgers. That's how it works. That's how civilization is designed. I don't know what to think of that. I mean, I am a vegetarian,
And,
so my moral compass is on point.
not-
Some vegans would argue it is not.
but yeah.
I can ask all of those vegans to drink vegan protein
as me being
and destroy their lives. I mean, it's horrible.
as I am a non-vegetarian, and I eat chicken, I eat meat, red meat and eat all of the meat available in India. Not pork, not beef. It's not available that openly. But again, whatever is available, I eat that. But I won't mind trying new types of meats. Now that's into say when I was in Abu Dhabi and I had camel milk and that was pretty sour. And then I also, there was this restaurant in Abu Dhabi which served camel
Why?
as a
Why is my
yeah.
question?
I also went to Australia. They were serving kangaroo, and I had a piece of it. It was
Kangaroo is like the delicacy of Australia.
Yeah.
They
So I had kangaroo.
They serve rabbits and kangaroos like sacredly dead. It's Australia, mate. they go all over it. I'm MasterChef Australia fan.
wallaby, and they also eat wallabies.
They eat everything.
Yeah.
It's protein, whatever comes in.
Yeah, so I didn't mind eating a kangaroo. I didn't mind eating what I was saying.
Beef.
No. Beef is something that is not allowed.
It's eaten worldwide.
It's eaten worldwide, but it's not allowed. But again, it's okay. But not beef, apparently. But I'm not. It's not about me not eating beef. I'm okay about other people eating beef. That's fine because my religion does not allow it. It doesn't mean that not everybody can have it. All right. So it's pretty much okay with me. But again, okay, it's okay for other people. I guess for Muslim it's pigs.
They're sacred. They
that
don't eat
pig, they don't eat that. Even in fact, they're pretty much opposed.
Someone should have taken care of the goats.
Yeah.
Some religion should have looked out.
I don't know. Goats fucked up pretty bad. Goats.
Some religion should have looked out. Maybe Jews or Christians or Buddhists. Someone should have looked out for those things.
No, please don't say goats. People are fucking goats. People are eating goats. People are actually sacrificing goats in the name of God.
I mean, think about it. Like, you are fasting, you're doing your ritual. Why should that animal sacrifice? What the fuck is this concept? I don't understand. Every religion has this. I don't know who came up with this.
I just don't understand. What is simple? Kill animal, man. And you just kill it out of nowhere with your machete.
Yeah, all the stuff you do, all the trials and tribulations, the rituals, the customs you carry out, and then at the end of the thing, you look over and like, sup. It's so
bad for them.
anti-ethical. What are you doing?
It's really bad. But again, it is what natural selection.
These customs cannot come without psychedelics.
Even chickens, now chickens are not up for sacrifices, of course, but chicken is the meat that is most eaten throughout the world, and that's
because they're the smallest, right?
Yeah, they're the smallest, easy to kill. They cannot fly.
Weak bird.
But again,
Pavel Satsolin came on Joe Rogan's podcast. He asked him, what kind of protein do you eat? He's like, steak. He's like, what kind of steak? Chicken? He's like, no. He's like, why? It's a weak bird. The most Russian thing anyone has ever said. I don't eat chicken. It's a weak bird. What?
Yeah, so people do it. I was in Chili's one day and in India only, and they do serve buffalo wings as well. If you are familiar,
is it like actually buffalo wings?
Yeah, it is actually, and they also serve.
There's buffalo sauce as well.
They
right?
they also serve baby back ribs, and
what is that?
That is buffalo ka baby cut into itna sa part, and then it is served.
Holy shit! Infanticide or feticide?
That's infanticide. So people eat lambs all the time. Lambs is the baby version of goats. And you kill it. That's infanticide. Yeah. But again, if you kill all. If you don't, just don't be hypocrite about one and just go fucking vegetarian.
I mean, it's like you can't change the world.
It's
right?
about those Instagram influencers I see all the time. That point of year, ban Yulin Dog Festival, so bad.
It's like you
don't kill dogs.
I mean, it's not wrong to criticize Yulin.
It is wrong. Criticize everything. Turn out to be a vegetarian.
So
get the fuck out of it.
No, the point I'm trying to make is it is not wrong to criticize a bad thing, even if your moral compass is not sorted. Right? They don't just kill dogs, right? They torture them first.
the chicken you eat,
the thing is,
the milk you drink. I'm not
I mean,
supporting
you can
torture.
call out hypocrisy of people on all levels, right? So
Yeah.
if we are environmentalists and then we take a flight,
Yeah.
so anyone can call us hypocrites, right?
Yeah,
But that does not
exactly.
mean we don't travel by plane, right?
Yeah.
We can take care of the environment and still live our lives.
Exactly.